Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee and I'm here to help you learn how to use Excel in an efficient and simple way with our easy to follow video tutorials. Sometimes we need to make changes to a protected spreadsheet. In that case, we need to unlock the sheet. There are two ways this can be done, either without a password or with a password. No password means anyone can unprotect the sheet, but if a password has been set, you must have the password or ask the person who has locked the sheet for it. To unprotect a spreadsheet, follow the same steps for either option. Right-click on the sheet name and select Unprotect Sheet. If there's no password, the sheet instantly becomes editable. However, if a password has been set, you'll need to enter the password to unlock it. Once done, the sheet is unlocked and ready to be edited. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and check out more tutorials from Sheet Leveler. If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and join Sheet Leveler for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.